Hello and welcome to Ohayou Anime, Ohayou gozaimasu. My name is John, and I'm here to do an unboxing. I haven't really done an unboxing before. And I probably have some things that I really should have done unboxings for previously. But nonetheless, we'll start with this one. So I have a number of anime figures. Don't expect a ton of these because I don't buy them too fast, but like I keep some on my desk here. This one here, I have the Kill la Kill ladies on my desk. So this is, they guard the desk. That's the thought. Got to get a fancy Lazy Susan to spin these things around. Anyways, today we're going to be unboxing a Maki Zenin figure from Jujutsu Kaisen. So, favorite of mine. She's a Jujutsu sorcerer, and yeah, let's take a look at it. So, box, nice, front, sides. This is what it's gonna look like. The pose here. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay in this mic. I don't have the best setup maybe for unboxing this stuff, but we'll get at it. So you can see, bam presto, they're not new to this game for sure. They have they make tons of figures. I do keep boxes, but I'm not, oh, there's more tape. But I'm not like so strict on it. You know, keeping them in a good shape. So this is my first Jujutsu Kaisen figure. Boy, why is this side having so much trouble? Pro unboxer here. All right. In case you didn't know, it says on here, ages 15 plus. I think I mentioned that. So let's box aside. Plus, I'm sure choking parts, right? How many pieces is it in? Okay, everything comes out in the bag here. It's always fun when some of the figures, they have like kind of backdrops built into the box that you can use to display. I guess I really haven't done that, but the staff is in two parts even. Just part one of that. So, I don't know, yeah, if you guys watch Jujutsu Kaisen, if you haven't, you should, or read it as well. I've thought about reading it, but have not to this point. Been enjoying the show and excited for season 2. Thought the movie was pretty good as well. Where's your head? Let's see. Yep, the expression looks nice, looks good. It's amazing, you know, I sit and I wonder, like, when I bought action figures as a kid, I don't know, they looked good, right? They looked fine, but now, as an adult, I'm like, are we losing our standards for figures? going down action figures and stuff, because there's really great figures for like collectors and, you know, adults and stuff, but the action figures for kids and stuff, for sure, that doesn't seem all that great these days. I don't know. It's probably just me as a kid having different standards. All right, so she's creepy right now. I'll just display her like that, huh? Oh, neck ache. It's kind of scary to do, actually. Pushing that in. Make sure it's in all the way. Yeah, can you see the expression? Okay. Let's put the staff together. Staff is pretty weighty on the one end. And let's see, the staff. I know it's not a staff. I'm calling it a staff. I don't know the proper name. One end. Oh, I think I have to put this in her hand first. We're figuring it out. There we go. What do you think? That's it. Zenin Maki. I like the pose a lot. I think the pose is really cool. You get a lot of really dynamic poses on some of these figures, which I love a lot. It's a nice simple base, seems sturdy, all that sort of thing. So yeah, that's just a quick little unboxing. I hope you like that. Again, I got this one from the Crunchyroll store. I know you can get them a lot of places, but sometimes they have some deals there that are pretty good. I have a Tengen from Demon Slayer coming later, a couple months or something like that. It was a pre-order. This was pre-order as well, but it came a little quicker than anticipated. So that'll do it. If you like this kind of thing, again, I can't promise I'll be getting a lot of figures these days, but occasionally kind of unbox some things here and there. This has been Ohayou Anime. Please like, share, subscribe, and be sure to check out the main podcast, Popcast on the Rocks. Thanks, everybody. Bye.